सर आज मीटिंग आशिल्ली मातशी सांगता.
I think CM basically chaired the meeting.
Sir, can you
I
sit,
think
sir? Just sit, just sit.
Yeah. The Honorable CM basically chaired the meeting.
Okay.
I think Honorable CM will give you a bite on that. I think it will be better you take it from him only.
No, but just from as a revenue minister, just also how you all are looking
No,
into this issue.
meeting basically took place because all these structures, because of these court orders, court has said basically to give a report on all the structures for as far as the municipalities are concerned and the panchayats are concerned. The municipality have concerned and the panchayats have concerned because they were supposed to file a report in the to the Honorable High Court. So they only CM has said basically because High Court has not said what action basically needs to be taken or action needs to be taken. He said just to file the report. First of all, decision has been taken and whatever the illegal structures basically has come on road widening areas or on the roads, you understand, which is acquired, that should be basically cleared off.
मग आणि बार्देजान 14 जे ऑफिसर आसा तांकां तुमी समन्स धाडला तुमचे
रेव्हेन्यू
One second, let me just. No, we have not taken summons. There was some matter which was as far as the court had orders for demolition.
Different
That-
matter, no?
Yeah, different matter. And that has been demolished 2 years back. But then afterwards, because there was a delay, the High Court basically has asked basically to fix that responsibility why the delay has taken. So that is the reason. I think
officer are responsible.
revenue. No. The revenue secretary is the one who is basically doing the not monitoring. Who is basically told to find to fix the responsibility.
आणि ह्या हितून आतांच्या मिटिंगेन कितें ऑर्डिनन्स बी हाडपाच्या
No, there is no ordinance.
पंचायत एंड म्युनिसिपालिटीज विल कॅरी ऑन
See,
देयर
see.
इन्क्वायरी.
Municipalities and panchayats have got to basically submit their report to the Honorable High Court of all the structures, illegal structures, whatever they call it. Because Honorable High Court has just said to submit the report.
कितली घरां आसा ती?
हय, and कितें action घे म्हणजे तसलें कांय येना. So first of all, only after the report, then they will come to know.
सो तो डेमोलिशन डायरेक्ट करू शकना पंचायत म्युनिसिपालिटी.
They are not going to demolish anything. It is first of all, they are only supposed to submit the report to the Honorable High Court. Then what action needs to be taken or what action the court deemed fit, that will be done. And what court basically has said, court has basically said and act as per the law. Whatever you have, legislator have already enacted a law. So as per the law, whatever action needs to be taken, you please take the action. Okay. Thank you so much.
म्हणजे पंचायत आसा ती ऑर्डर काडपाक लागल्या डेमोलिशनाचे पंचायत किंवा म्युनिसिपालिटी.
See, there is some miscommunication actually among them. AG had basically clearly explained to the director of Panchayat and I think DMA also was present what basically is their role and what they need to do. That's it.
Okay.
घरा कोणाची मोडचे ना फक्त रिपोर्ट तयार करता.
घरा कोणाची मरपाचे प्रश्न नाही.
The last year one house has been demolished in Sukur.
See, that must be one isolated case. That's what we don't know what is that matter. But as far as we are only talking about what is the order of the High Court. We were discussing the order of the High Court.
रिपोर्ट तयार झाल्या उपरांत घरा वाचोवपाक कितें प्लॅनिंग?
No, that after that government will take a decision on that. First, let them submit a report to the Honorable High Court. Then that Honorable High Court will decide what is to be done.
Okay.
So
Now,
50
then-
bags.
Sorry.
Stapna Day was the BJP.
Yeah.
So you was missing from there.
See, what has happened, there was some miscommunication. I was there basically to raise the flag near my office. So I was in town. There was some miscommunication. So I did not attend there.
सो मिसकम्युनिकेशन
It was-
प्रेसिडेंट राऊंड आलो का?
No, there's no, maybe my miscommunication.
miscommunication.
Yeah. Okay, bye, see. Don't confuse the matter. Okay?
All is
Bye,
good,
see.
no, sir?
Yeah, all is well. Don't worry, be happy. That's it. Bye, see.